Hi Ezekiel, it's Friday, so today we're working on IEP goals. Today we're going over number 3. So let's count the pigs. 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. So what you're going to do is trace the number 3 in these 4 columns. Let's go ahead and move on to our next goal. We're going over our shapes. Number 1, point to the triangle. So which one's the triangle? Now number 2, point to the square. So point to the square and circle the square. Good job, Ezekiel. Have a great weekend. When you're done, make sure your parents send us a picture so we can update our grades. Have a great weekend.